Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, October 9th. In the NASDAQ market, I was looking for new highs and that stronger close as we talked about. Well, it did make new highs, but it also broke to the downside. I look at this as more of a profit-taking setup than I do a bearish. Now, this is what I call lead up to a false sense of security, so it does have the potential for being a bearish setup. My feeling is unless we get something new over the weekend, I'm looking for an inside higher day on Monday. Let's move on though, and let's see what's going on with that dollar. In the euro, let's blow that up a bit. In the euro, what we can see here in this market, it also broke lower. And I was looking for a down move in this market. Well, remember, the shadow on the bottom tells us that it did that. But we also got low enough to find buyers. I do look for follow through on Monday in that market. And in the interest rate markets, the 10-year notes, look at this. It's very similar to what you just saw in the euro. This is also a market I am not bullish on, but it would imply an up day for Monday. I'm looking for an inside day on Monday. I'm not looking for follow through in that market. The gold market also needs a reason to do something. The weakness that we saw in the stock market may have stimulated this market a little bit. It does imply an up move on Monday. I don't really think we have strong drivers for this market, but I do look for an up day on Monday. And in crude oil, there's just nothing to write home about. If buyers were here, we should have seen their footprints as we went into the weekend. That is not the case. I'm looking for a weaker market on Monday, but not a dramatic move in that market. In soybeans, buyers are here, but can the paper follow through? I have my doubts. I'm looking for a smaller range or a lot of volatility on Monday. We have a crop report coming up, so right now I expect it to be somewhat quiet. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful weekend and take care.